Hey guys, today I got a really cool unboxing for you. It's called the Sports Rebounder. I bought this from Walmart earlier today, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright, it looks like this is a part of it. More of these like leg things. There you go, we got another one right here. There you go, we got more of these. We got lots of these that we got to put together. There you go, here's another one. There you go. Got more of these. Oh yeah. I think this one is like that, where you have to have it stand up. Let's see. Yep, here we go. We got some more of these. And it looks like this is the net. It's a net. And then here are the hooks to put it together, and the yellow part for the center part. And let's see, what's this? Looks like these are some more hooks. Well, it looks like that's everything in the box. And here's the instructions. And in my next video, I will show you how we put this together. Bye.